Welcome to the Avenues Cosmetic YouTube channel. This is our patient, Rahul Chablani. Earlier, he was struggling with hair loss, which affected his confidence. After getting his hair transplant done at Avenues Cosmetic, his life has completely changed. Today, Rahul travels freely, enjoys every moment, and recently even caught a ball during a live cricket match, a true sign of his renewed confidence. Strong hair has given him strong self-belief. Let's take a look at Rahul's transformation journey with Avenues Cosmetic.
Not just at the transplant, but even after the transplant, when you come here for your consultation or your PRP, they look after you well. They give you correct guidance how to boost your hair growth and how to maintain your transplanted hairs. My name is Rahul Chablani. I'm 37 years old. It's been almost 2 years since I got my transplant done with Dr. Kapadia. And it's been a surreal journey up till now. He's transformed my look completely and I can vouch for him to anybody, and I've had the best of experience up till now. Avenues Cosmetics, they use the latest technology and the staff and everybody looks after you completely. And they make sure you have a smooth journey, not just at the transplant, but even after the transplant. When you come here for your consultation or your PRP, they look after you well. They give you correct guidance how to boost your hair growth and how to maintain your transplanted hairs completely.
Are you worried about your hair loss problem? Subscribe to our channel for expert advice from qualified doctors. Avenues Cosmetic is here to help and the latest updates on quality hair transplant treatments. And if you're facing hair loss issues, book your consultation with us today for the right solution.